So guys, I'm Mikul here, and today I'm not unboxing a Dyson air purifier, which we did before. I'm talking to you about a problem that we had with the Dyson purifier that we had originally. So, just saying, so this is a replacement one. So this, I'm just showing you the package. It just comes in a regular box with, I'm trying to decide real quick, with just the wrapper on it. So, the main problem we had is with the filter, which is the important thing of an air purifier. So that filter, so whenever we ran, so I noticed a smell, like it didn't, like slightly, kind of like a burning smell coming from the filter. But if I remove the filter, there was like it was fine. So now that's why we assumed it was a filter. We got the filter replaced from Dyson because of the warranty, and they did replace it. We still had the same issue, so we decided that they can send us a replacement. So this is what they sent us because the original wasn't working. If you watched the other video, this is a different color. It's like a nickel plated. Now that I think about it, it might be the wrong color. Let's check that we ordered, because we ordered like a white and nickel finish. So it's like two-tone, like similar to the original, but different. But let's see. Yeah, this could be wrong, but let's at least see if the filter works. Then we'll see about the other stuff. But that's not that big of a deal. We just need the filter to work. So that's what I'm going to be testing today. So it took a long time for us to actually get this resolved. Like last time spent on the phone, and then like in our local Dyson repair center trying to resolve this issue. So yeah, 1 second, I'm just gonna get that out of the way. Just grab this power. Okay, so we got plug point right here. So there's the stuff at the bottom. So tilt it up, plug it in, and turn it on. It's on heat first. Okay, just to let you know, they did come out with a new model of this, so you'll find a different one if you were to find a better newer one. Oh, that got hot fast. Okay, let's do cool. Let's increase the speed. So that masks the air. I do notice that smell, but it's not as bad as before. So I guess we have the only way to actually test this is to use it for a while, in an enclosed bedroom, filter the air, and then if that smell is still in the air, then we know that's the problem. So I guess that's kind of it. If there's need, we'll come back with another video. Other than that, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.